Okay, so this is a Garvee swing chair, or what we call a swing set. We're gonna open it up and see what's inside. So let's do it. It's a bit of a big box, but it's not super heavy. Like, I can lift it myself, but in your case, if you want, you can get a pair of hands to help you. Besides that, I'm gonna go open it up, take it apart, put it together, and do what's supposed to be happening. Look, we have the approval of my kitty boy. If he approves it, we're all good. So everything you need is here. And if you don't have a dog barking on the background, it would be really nice. So it is what it is. That easy. Just to read those through. Shouldn't take more than a few minutes to put it together. And in the bag, you'll have the hardware. They're all marked how you need them. And that's it. You have to, you put the bolts and nuts, and all the nuts, you have to go around and put these covers on. And that's it. Then I'm ready to transfer it from here to where it belongs. And you'll see some B-roll there. It looks absolutely amazing, gotta say. I am absolutely happy with it. It's actually a beautiful piece. So yeah, let's do that and go put it where it belongs. So yeah, it will have to go there. There's a spot actually on the woods where I want to put this one, and you can move this cover by releasing these two thumb screws on the sides, so you can tilt it backwards or forward however you need it. And these tension screws, these are pure metal, so they're not snatching anytime soon. And that's what I'm talking about, covering these little nuts here with this. That's it, just so they're not exposed. Build quality, absolutely beautiful. And yeah, it can definitely swing left and forward and backward. And besides that, well, we'll put it to the place it belongs and see how it goes. And here it is on the sunny side. And this is where we will stay, middle of the beautiful trees. And that, I mean, can't find a better spot for it. Yes, I lowered the canopy just a little bit because the sun hits from this side. Look at that. It looks absolutely beautiful. And if you sit on it, you'll feel very comfortable. And even the kitty boy approves it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying too. And when you sit inside, oh, yeah. The springs are actually doing their job really good. Look, and I'm around 200 pounds myself. Look at that. In both sides, there's no problem with the springs. And look at that, just covering me from the sun, just in the right spot. And besides that, what else can I tell you? The build quality is actually really good. You can put your hands here, there's enough space so you can clip in your hands. And this part here is actually welded on top, so I don't see any failing point on this whole thing at all. So everything looks absolutely beautiful. And besides that, hope you enjoyed the video with this cute swing set going on here. That's definitely gonna be a beautiful summer piece. Yeah, I put a little tarp under just to make sure it's good. And look at that. It's on the best spot it could possibly be. Nice. Well, hope you learned something, hope you liked it, and we'll see you next time. Thank you to Garvee for really being a good sport all this long time.